Gentle. There's more. There's Nikki in there. And then no run away. No, he don't run away. He run away on the bathroom. And we got one more. Hmm. Oh. Oh. Can you get him? No. His name is Bo. Bo? Yeah? Oh, it's Bo on the do. Oh, you have a bow at your school? Wow. Yeah, see if you can get Bo out of the kitty house and give him a hug. No, it might bite me. He won't bite you, I promise. He won't. Oh, and I'll take it. Yeah. What's her name? Her name is Nayuda. Oh, I love Nuda. And what's her name? Nikki. Oh, and what's her name? You know, that's Genevieve. Oh. And Angel is the other one. She's in the tunnel. Gentle? Yes. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, now she's under the cat tree. Cat tree? See her under the cat tree? Cat tree? Hey, right there? Yeah. And we're the you have all the teeth. Let me count them. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other one. And is that under my chair? Right here? Yeah, 1. Yeah. We have 5 kittens because Genevieve's still a baby. But see if you could get Bo in the cat house. See? He's nice. He won't bite. He's a good boy. Nayuta's good girl. Yes. Good job. Cheese. Cheese. Whoa. She wiggly. You can put her down. Okay. Let's try Bo over there in the cat box. Say hi, Bo. Hi, Bo. Cheese. Cheese. Two. Yeah, that's Nikki. Cheese. Cheese. Okay, now let's try Bo. Okay. Come, little Bo. Come. Don't bite. Yeah, he won't bite. He's a nice baby. I just want to play. I want to come out. Oh, you want to get the teaser toy? The teaser toy? Right there. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to play. Yeah, he'll probably come out if you do that. Okay. Stop. No. No. Is he coming? No. Be gentle. She likes it too. Oh, look, he's coming. He's coming. He's on the other side. Now try to pick him up. Oh, he went for the toy. Oh, where's he going? Bo, come back. What is Bo doing? There, you got him. Cheese. You got Bo. Yay. Yeah, I got Bo. Yep. And his sister Angel's under the cat tree again. And I got him. Yeah. I got Bo. You did get Bo. And now Nayuda is playing with the cat teaser. And Nikki. Yay. Yeah, he wants to go back in the house. He likes the kitty house. Yeah. Did you see? Let's say hi. Yeah. Right there. Right there. Okay, come say bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye.